Hi all, welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. If you don't know me, I put videos on lot of stuff, so do visit my playlist and give it a thumbs up and do subscribe so that it will really boost me to do more and more videos. It's all your support that I can grow well. So, in this video, I'm going to share about home pedicure using products that are really available at home. The products which I'm going to use will definitely relieve the pain that you have in the foot. It will reduce the tan, and also you'll have a relaxing session if you try this. So, let's get started. For this, I have taken hot water in a tub. Make sure it is not so hot or not so warm. Get the hot water in a right consistency. Okay, to this, I am adding 1 tablet of Dispirin, and I am also using Dettol hand wash. You can also use any mild shampoo. This is to just get nice froth so that the dirt will come out. Okay, I asked him to take one pic before he does this home pedicure. So this is how his leg is looking right now. So let's see how this becomes after we do it. Dispirin has anti-inflammatory content in it and very good to use if you have foot pain. My husband was recently complaining some foot pain, so I'm using it. You can skip if you don't want to use this product, but it is really helpful. You can also add handful of rock salt to the water. It is very good for the foot and reduces any pain that you have. This also ensures you don't have any foot or skin infections at the later stage. So whenever you are having this hot water pedicure at home, make sure you add a handful of rock salt to it and just dip your legs. This is a green Amritanjan balm, as he was complaining some few points where he is feeling the pain. Before even he inserts his legs into the hot water, I wanted to give it a nice rub on all the sides or wherever he has a pain. So I'm just giving a slight gentle massage on both of his legs with this Amritanjan balm, so that when he keeps in the hot water for next 5 minutes, he'll have like good relief when he takes out. So you can also try when you have pain. This is really helpful. Even my mom uses it because she keeps standing on the kitchen, and she feels some pain in the legs. Whenever she applies this and sleep, the next day she usually says she is all right. So I wanted to try for him, so I'm just rubbing all over his legs before he dips into the water. It is almost like 5 to 10 minutes he has soaked his legs inside the water. Okay, now I have taken the Colgate toothpaste. Normally what you have some old toothpaste that is left without using, you can use that, or any other toothpaste of that kind. Normally toothpaste has whitening agent, and that will help to reduce the tan. Regular use of this will remove suntan and also softens the dead skin that we normally have underneath the foot. Everyone, because of using a bad slipper or rough slippers, you normally get the dead skin at the underneath of the foot. So these will get softened gradually at the regular use of this toothpaste. And also the whitening agent will reduce the tan in your legs. You can also see he has like little tan in his legs. So I am using this Colgate toothpaste. I apply this all over using a brush and give it a nice scrub. Entire foot, even on the sides and even on the underfoot, I just give him a nice scrub using the toothbrush. Make sure you also do on the all the nails and sides of the nails, so that the dirts or other things might come out. I did the same for the other legs, and he was soaking his legs for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I take little more of the toothbrush and I just wash his legs nicely. Wherever he's feeling the pain, I just gave a tight massage so that he'll feel some relief. Already you have the balm Amritanjan applied, also now the toothpaste. So everything I'm just nicely scrubbing it all over his legs, and you can have some tight massage over the area where it is painful, so they'll have like good relief. Try to do also on the sides of the nail so that all the dirts will come out. Remove it after 10 minutes and wipe it nicely with the towel. Let it get dried. See how nice it is. You can see like there was some reduction in the tan. You cannot expect the tan to be like immediately vanish away, so no products is like that. So it will gradually reduce, like if you do it like 10 days once the same pedicure, it's very easy, so you can use it so that you will have like nice improvement. Now I'm using this Vaseline moisturizer. This is a cocoa flavor which I'm using. It has a very nice smell and it's very refreshing whenever you apply this to your skin. The foot generally will be very dry as it was inside the water for last 20 minutes. So applying moisturizer after you're done with your pedicure will retain the moisture content in your skin and avoid dryness. So slightly gently apply on both the legs. And this is how his legs look after the pedicure. I'm so happy that he also enjoyed this and he felt like it's very relaxing. He said it's very relaxing for him. So you also try this and let me know how it works for you. It's all the products that we use at home, so use the same and let me know how that really works. It's really nice to have this video for you guys. Meet you again in next video. Bye bye.